In this tutorial, we are going to take a look at dimension tools in GstarCAD. Before that, I'm going to talk about dimension styles first, which affect how your dimensions are displayed. If you click here, Dimension Style Manager box will pop up. Then you can select Dimension Styles and set properties. This set has all of styles that have been created. On the right side of the dialog box, there are some buttons for you to set current, create, modify, override, and compare the dimension styles. For example, let's create a new dimension style. Click New button here, name it, choose an existing style as default settings, and choose to check annotative option or not. We will talk about annotative dimensions later. And then let's choose which kind of dimension objects to use for. Click Continue. Here you can set various properties for lines, symbols and arrows, text, adjust, primary units, alternate units, and tolerance. I will enable alternate units. OK, go ahead, select this style and click Modify button. I'm going to modify lines color, arrow style, text height value and color, and change precisions. OK, as you make changes to these properties, those changes are then saved to the style that you are working on. And as a result, any dimensions that are associated with that style will receive these property settings. Explore more in GstarCAD Dimension Tutorial Part 2.